Hey Pairsquad, Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie, aka Contempairs. I do lifestyle, beauty, and fashion videos. So if you want to be inspired and get motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and make sure to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos. And now I am venturing into doing live streaming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Saturday. So it would be 7 p.m. for weekdays and 6 p.m. on Saturdays. So I will see you guys there if you want to know more about me and about my YouTube journey. So I recently uploaded a new video, which is my summer glow up makeup step-by-step tutorial. If you haven't checked it out, please do check it here, or I'll include it in the description below. I got a request there how I do my brows, so I will be doing it right now and share some of my tips how I make my eyebrows thicker and taking care of them. So if you're watching, this is for you, and for everybody that is interested, make sure to stay here and keep watching. Let's get started. So I will wear this so that you will see the proper look of my tutorial. And dun-dun. Isn't it so cute? Yes. Okay, I'll go near the camera there. And yes, these are my eyebrows. And I will use a razor. I'll use this razor face. You can use it for your face and for your eyebrows. So this is the first step that I do. So just do this and then just clean it. Actually, I use lotion, but I'm skipping that. You can put lotion or essential oils. They're not that dirty. That's why. Yes. See? Look at the difference already. Right? There you have it. I think that's good enough. Next, I'll just brush it. Even though I didn't put my eyebrow powder or seal. So I have this powder, or you can use either powder or pencil. So for today, I will use the powder. Okay, now they're clean. I already brushed them after, so I'll use the powder. When you start putting a brow, you should start right here. Follow that. Follow that path. Then I'll get a little bit more. Make sure to tap it. There. Align it. Going straight right there, okay? Did you get that? I'll make that slow. I'm not done. After that, I'll just do one and then I'll show you. So after doing that, just brush them again. Brush it again. There. Just keep brushing it. And then you can comb it. And then I use highlighter for eyebrow to make it look natural. You can find it in drugstore or any beauty store. You can order to online too, like Amazon. And to make it more to look flawless, use this cream for eyebrow. So I'll just put cream there.
You can use concealer or foundation to cover the spot that you want to make it look flawless. Another tip to make my eyebrows thicker, I use petroleum jelly every night.
Right? And that way it will stand out. There you go. And if you want to put some highlighter, or yeah, they call it. This is my Moonstone highlighter. You can put it here. Okay. So this is the final look. This is how I do my step-by-step tutorial for eyebrows to make them thicker and bushy. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you do like this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for good vibe. I will see you guys in this video or this one. Bye!
Test.